Hi everyone, hi boys and girls. This is a bit of a recorded message again this week just to talk you through our Jolly Spellings book. Now most of you will have this book at home now when you collected your workbook packs, okay? And it would have been contained in that pack. So what you're looking to do is find page 26 and this will be your spelling sheet. So you will have the same page as I do right here, okay? This week's sound is something called a silent C. Now boys and girls, you all know we've done lots of silent letters already. So we've done the silent B, which would be in a word like lamb, L-A-M-B, for the baby sheep, okay? And if you say lamb again with me, you know you can't hear that B, it's a silent B. And last week we had words that had a silent H, isn't that right? So we had words like rhino or rhinoceros, which are spelled R-H-I-N-O, okay? But we can't hear the H, so it is a silent letter. This week we're looking at words that have a silent C, okay? So these are words that have a C in them to spell them, but you can't actually hear it. So let's have a look and see if we can see what some of these words would be. There's a nice one here at the top of the page, and I want to explain to you what this shape is. This is a picture of a moon, isn't it? And it's in a crescent shape. Do you see this word here, crescent? Now you can't hear that C in crescent. Say crescent for me. You can't hear that C in crescent. It's a silent C, isn't it? You can hear the S, a nice strong S, but you can't hear the C, all right? Now, a crescent moon means a moon that's in this kind of a shape, like a half moon shape, a little bit like this. And you might see if you could draw one of those on the side maybe as well, okay? And that is a crescent shape. So let's go over to our spelling list here at the side, and you will see that there are lots and lots of words in it, okay? And the first word there is land, like how a plane might land, or land meaning a bit of ground maybe that there would be in a park or a farmer would have in a field, okay, land. And I gave you an example there of how a plane can land. I wonder, can you think of any other types of transport that land? Have a quick think about that now and see. And the next word then is quiz, like a quiz show or a competition where it's a quiz, okay? The next word there then has a silent C in it. I wonder if you can figure out what that is. So you can write in your C, and that is scene, okay? So it could be like a scene from your window, or a scene, a part of a play or a movie or a TV show. So one part of it or something that happens in part of a play or a movie, okay? And the next one then is scent, S-C-E-N-T, and that's a lovely smell, isn't it? Maybe a flower might have a lovely scent or some perfume or aftershave or something like that. And the next one is something that you boys and girls all have in your arms and legs, and that's a muscle, okay? A muscle. And the next word then is one of your favourite subjects, and I know we had lots of fun in the last couple of weeks doing lots of experiments at home. And this one, number 6, is science. And then this one that we use in art all the time, scissors. And this is our shape again, a crescent, like our crescent moon shape here. And our last 2 words then, gram and kilogram, and we use those in maths all the time. Now, I want you to move over to the side and fill in your spelling letters for gram and kilogram. And then you can complete those lovely sentences. You know that a list word has to go into those spaces. And then at the very end of the page, you'll see then there's little spider webs. Can you see those? And it's asking you to put in a word in the spaces of each word web. Write words that could be used instead of the word in the middle. So I'm going to show you an example now. I have one here that I've made, and I've hot on it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces here to fill in. So I'm thinking of another word for hot, and I'm going to say warm, W-A-R-M, And then I'm going to say hot. I could say maybe humid, which would be when it is hot and kind of a little bit damp, maybe hot and humid. And another word for hot, wait, I think. There's another one, roasting. Roasting. I wonder if you boys and girls think of any other words to go in there. Okay. Now, and then what I want you boys and girls to do is do the same thing with the words you have here. So you have cold, you have sad, and you have happy. So see if you can think of other words that can go into these spaces that mean the same thing. Okay, well done. Thank you.